Welcome back to Culinary Delights. Today we are diving into that beautiful world of Cajun seasoning. That's right, folks. Get ready to add a little je ne sais quoi to your dishes without needing a passport to Louisiana. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of paprika powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And if you happen to have a crawfish sitting around, just ignore it. This is not a seafood boil. Add the paprika, the superhero of our spice blend. It's sweet and it's smoky. Add the garlic powder, because we all know the secret to good cooking is garlic. Add the onion powder, for when you want a flavor of onions without the tears. Now add the cayenne pepper, a little kick to spice things up. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Now add the oregano, and then you're going to add the thyme. Now add the black pepper, the classic why not spice. It's just like that friend who shows up to every party, uninvited but always welcome. Now add in the salt. Now we mix. It's just like one's love life. It's all about finding the right blend. Stir it up until it's a beautiful, fragrant seasoning. And voila! Cajun seasoning that'll have your taste buds dancing the two-step. You can use it on chicken, fish, veggies, or even sprinkle it into your morning coffee if you're feeling adventurous. But my favorite way to use it is making some authentic Cajun jambalaya. Now that's lekker. Remember folks, cooking should be fun, so get spicy, get sassy, and as always, keep it flavorful. If you enjoy my videos, please help me grow this channel by hitting that subscribe button, giving the video a like, and clicking that notification button to get notified of new recipes. Until next time, keep safe and God bless.